Hello lovely people, my name is Abigail and this is going to be my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be answering a few of the new YouTuber tag questions. 20 years old, I'm a student. I am from London, England. In DIYs, wish hauls, student life. So I do have quite a big variety of topics I'm going to be talking about. So the three YouTubers are Jazzy Bum, Zoella, Erin Animals. I'm going to be uploading videos as frequently as I can. As I have said, I am a student, so I will be trying to fit it around my student life. I do plan on staying on YouTube for a long time. Eventually I do want to be doing daily vlogs, and I would like to progress. I would like my YouTube to progress as I progress. I have been on YouTube before, but I've only featured in my boyfriend's videos. A link down below to his channel. It would probably be Jazzy Bum or Ebony Day. Even though I don't sing, I would love to do a video with her. Spencer! Shh! Come! Come! I'll leave. I hope that gives you a little bit of an insight into me as a YouTuber, and I will be back with my first proper video. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.